Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Very good evening to one and all. It's my great privilege and honor to welcome one of the most brilliant diplomat from United States of America, a country which is a vibrant democracy and the oldest democracy in the world today. It's my privilege, His Excellency, Mr. Edgar Kagan, to introduce your good self to this august audience. Your Excellency, we are here for the celebration of completion of 2 years of Urdu News, which is a newspaper which has made its mark in a short span of about 2 years, stands out for the underprivileged. Excellent reporting, journalism par excellence. 2 young brothers, blessed by the soul of late Moin Sheikh, Imtiaz Bhai and Khalid Bhai, who run the show. They have created a history in a matter of 2 years to take this journal, this Urdu newspaper, to a level where it has created a brand for itself. I congratulate the owners of Urdu News for their great success. Wish them all the very best. Mr. Edgar Kagan is presently Consul General of the United States of America in Mumbai. Prior to his present assignment, he had a very distinguished diplomatic career. He was Chief of Mission in Malaysia. He was entrusted with some of the most important assignments that a young diplomat can be given by a country like United States of America. He was in Tel Aviv, he was in Beijing, Kuala Lumpur, Japan, Korea, Australia, New Zealand, and above all, you were the youngest diplomat who were given an assignment to assist the permanent representative of the United States of America in the United Nations. It's a big achievement. He has proved himself in last about 7-8 months you are here. How do I say that? This young diplomat was invited to give the degrees to the young engineers of an institution from where 20% of students take their admissions for masters in the United States of America. Mr. Edgar told us he will be there for an hour. He spent nearly 5 hours distributing the degrees to individual students, breaking his protocol. That goes to show how much he cares for the young ones who get educated themselves, especially from the marginalized community. Mr. Edgar is a linguistic. He speaks Spanish, he speaks French, Chinese, Hungarian, you name it. He's a brilliant speaker in various languages. He graduated way back in 1989 from Yale University, one of the finest universities in the United States of America. After his graduation, he took an assignment in New York. And most importantly is, he is a happily married gentleman with a beautiful wife and 3 children. We wish you a very eventful tenure in city of Mumbai, which is the city of dreams. One thing I would like to mention about American consulate, which is very appropriate for the day, they have been supporting Urdu medium schools, जो हम कहते हैं कि उर्दू के फ़रोग के लिए जो काम किया जाता है वो अमेरिकन कॉन्सुलेट कर रहा है. बाबा सिद्दीकी साहब, आप मौजूद हैं। आपके ही कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में डॉक्टर जमखाना वाला उर्दू मीडियम स्कूल है और उनके बच्चों के लिए अमेरिकन कौंसल जनरल की लाइब्रेरी जो है 24/7 इज ओपन टू दिस गर्ल्स हु कम्स फ्रॉम द स्लम, एंड अमेरिकन गवर्नमेंट हैज पैट्रनाइज्ड अंजुमन्स बिलासिस रोड उर्दू मीडियम स्कूल। ये तो इनका बहुत बड़ा उर्दू के फ़रोग़ के लिए काम है। और आज की महफ़िल जो है सही मानों में एक जहन साजी के लिए है कि उर्दू को किस तरह उर्दू का फ़रोग़ किया जाए। आई वेलकम यू, द पोडियम इज़ योर्स, एड्रेस द गैदरिंग।
Thank you very